Hello, you're looking at my 2010 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you how to find out the correct tyre pressure for this car. So first of all, we're going to open up the driver's side door, which is on the right hand side for this car. So there we go, open up the door, and it's a right hand drive, so we need to go to the right hand side for this information, and then go to this center pillar and run your eyes down towards the bottom, and you'll find the tyre specification and pressures sticker. And this has got some great information. It's got the recommended tyre sizes, which is 215/60 R1695V, and it's got the tyre pressures, cold tyre pressures in kilopascals for both the front and rear tyres. So if you've just got up to 4 occupants and you're doing under 140 kilometers an hour, then the front pump that up to 230 kilopascals and the rear 210 kilopascals. And then for the if you've got more than 4 occupants and you're doing under 140 kilometers an hour, then the front needs to be at 240 kilopascals and the rear needs to be at 240 kilopascals as well. And there's different conversions online. You can punch those numbers in and they'll convert that to from kilopascals to PSI if you want. So there we go. All this information is conveniently located on this tyre specification and pressure sticker, which is located inside the car. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.